In the ever-evolving landscape of interior design, where opulence often takes center stage, there exists a realm of aesthetics that speaks in hushed tones yet exudes timeless elegance. Quiet luxury. This design philosophy cherishes the notion that true luxury need not be ostentatious. It can manifest in the restraint of elements, the seamless fusion of form and function. The roots of quiet luxury can be traced back to the early 20th century, a period marked by a departure from the grandiosity of design. As modernist principles gained momentum in the mid-20th century, visionaries like Ludwig Mies and Eileen Gray advocated for simplicity and functionality. Their influence laid the groundwork for an aesthetic that values quality over quantity and celebrates the beauty of understatement. Quiet luxury, over the decades, assimilated influences from various cultural movements. Incorporating elements from minimalism and Scandinavian design. Today, it stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of simplicity, providing a sanctuary from the visual noise of excess. Here are some rules you should consider to achieve the quiet luxury style. One. Mastery of the neutral palette. At the heart of quiet luxury lies a carefully selected neutral palette. Muted tones such as soft whites, warm grays, and subtle beige create a canvas that amplifies the sense of space and serves as a backdrop for curated furniture and accessories. These hues transcend trends, offering a timeless foundation for sophisticated design. Two. Elevation through exceptional materials. Elevate your space with materials that are not just visually appealing but also tactilely enriching. Marble, wood, and leather, when chosen for their quality and inherent textures, contribute to the understated opulence of quiet luxury. The emphasis here is on the craftsmanship and durability of materials. Allowing them to shine without the need for extravagant embellishments. Three. Thoughtful furniture selection. Quiet luxury embraces furniture with clean lines and timeless designs. Each piece should not only be visually pleasing but also serve its purpose seamlessly. The focus is on functionality and craftsmanship. With an emphasis on pieces that stand the test of time, both in terms of style and durability. Four. Subtle statement pieces. While quiet luxury leans towards subtlety, the judicious inclusion of a statement piece can add character without overwhelming the space. It could be an artful sculpture, a unique lighting fixture, or a well-crafted accent chair. Each chosen with care to ensure it complements rather than competes with the overall aesthetic. Five. Textured fabrics for depth. To infuse warmth and depth into the design, textured fabrics play a pivotal role. Consider plush rugs, richly textured throws, and soft cushions to create a cozy atmosphere. The interplay of textures not only adds visual interest but also invites tactile exploration within the space. Six. Streamlined accessories. Embrace a less is more approach to accessories. Each item should have a purpose, contributing to the overall narrative of the space without cluttering it. The strategic use of negative space allows the chosen accessories to shine. Fostering an environment of simplicity and elegance. 7. Strategic lighting as sculpture. In the world of quiet luxury, lighting transcends its utilitarian function to become a sculptural element. Thoughtfully chosen fixtures, both natural and artificial, are orchestrated to enhance the ambiance. Consider how sheer curtains can filter natural light, creating a gentle glow that complements carefully positioned artificial lighting. (8) Customization and personalization beyond decor. Quiet luxury celebrates individuality not only in decor but also in the very structure of the space. Invest in bespoke and custom-designed elements. Whether it's uniquely crafted tiles, personalized cabinetry, or tailored window treatments. These personalized touches go beyond aesthetics, they weave the inhabitant's story into the fabric of the design. (9) Harmony in Symmetry, Modernized. Balance and symmetry take on a modern interpretation within the quiet luxury paradigm. It's not about rigid adherence to identical forms but creating a dynamic equilibrium that fosters visual serenity. The arrangement of furniture and decor, though diverse in design, should contribute to a harmonious composition, enhancing the sense of order and tranquility. (10) Spatial awareness and flow. Quiet luxury is not just about individual elements but the orchestration of space. Consider each room as a chapter in a narrative, ensuring a seamless transition of energies. Avoid overcrowding, allowing for openness that not only facilitates physical movement, but also creates a visual and energetic flow throughout the entire living space. As we conclude this exploration into the realm of quiet luxury, it becomes evident that this design ethos is not merely a trend but a philosophy that resonates with mindful curation. A neutral palette, exceptional materials, thoughtful furniture. And a harmonious blend of elements create interiors that are not just visually pleasing but deeply resonant. In a world saturated with excess, quiet luxury stands as a sanctuary. inviting individuals to create spaces that echo their personality in hushed tones. The play of light, the dance of symmetry, and the celebration of individuality converge to craft interiors that transcend time and trend. May these principles guide you on your design journey. Allowing you to navigate the delicate balance between simplicity and sophistication. Creating a haven where luxury speaks softly and elegantly.